my channel. I'm Zenia. Today I'm here to review the Lakme Absolute Mousse. This is how the packaging, this is how the outer cardboard packaging of the mousse is. And the actual mousse comes in this beautiful small ball-like packaging. It is silver in color with the upper part extremely shiny and smooth, and the lower or bottom part is matte and not as shiny as the upper part. So this basically comes in 6 shades and I am in the shade 01 Ivory Fair. It retails for rupees 750 rupees, but you can always find it at great discount online, especially from Nykaa, Amazon. I got it for rupees 563 from the Nykaa website, not paying 750, so kind of more, almost 200 rupees savings I made as I got it from the Nykaa website. And I told you it retails for 750 for 25 grams of the product, and it comes in 6 shades. I am in the shade Ivory 1, and I have been using this product for 3 to 3.5 years, and I am absolutely in love with this product, and I can give you a very honest and a proper review about this particular product. You can see I have finished the previous mousse, I mean this one 2 months back, 1 to 1.5 months back, and then I got a new one for myself. And this is how this product opens, and you'll find a lid like this. It is like a protective lid which protects the mousse, and when you open it, this is how the mousse looks from inside. And the consistency of this mousse is obviously mousse like. It has a very soft consistency, and I'll show you at the back of my hand how it fares. It is very easily blendable. It can be blended very easily. You definitely do not need a brush or a sponge or anything to apply this mousse on your face. You can apply it directly with your fingers. You do not need any makeup tools to blend it into your face, so that is a big plus point. Coverage is very good. It gives you medium to full coverage. If you want to layer it, you can layer it as well. It will not become cakey at all, and if you layer it, it's going to give you more than medium coverage, but obviously less than full coverage. So I do not have any problem with the coverage, because you know it looks pretty natural on the skin, and I use it every day. It is so light on the skin, you would not feel as if you have anything on your face, and it gives you such a glow, such brightness on your face. It is awesome. I totally love this product. You need very little amount of this product on your face, and it gets easily absorbed, it gets easily blended. You do not need any extra makeup tools or sponges or buffing brush, anything to apply it on your face. So this is very good product, guys. It is a must have. You can definitely go for it. It is very travel friendly as well, because it comes in a very small tub like packaging. As I showed you, it comes in such a small packaging, ball like packaging, and it will easily fit into your handbag. It will not also occupy much space. I have no idea how much love I have for this product, and it has the usual Lakme citrusy smell. So if I really like the smell. I like the smells of Lakme. I don't have any problem with smell. I am not that sensitive to smell, so I love it. So now let me tell you all the positivities and negativities of this product. So I'll start with the negative things first. It comes on the pricier side. If you do not go and buy it online, if you buy it from the normal market, you'll have to pay 750 rupees, which is a little on the expensive side. So that is one con. Number two, it does not come with a pump. It retails for 750 rupees. It does not have a pump or anything. You have to dig in your fingers, which is very unhygienic, and I do not like that about this product. So these are the two cons I find. And now I'll talk about the positive things, which outnumbers the negative things definitely. First of all, I love the cute packaging. Secondly, it gives a medium coverage, more than medium coverage and less than full coverage, so that gives you a very natural look. Thirdly, it is very sturdy. The packaging is very sturdy and travel friendly. It is very easily available. It stays on your face for 8 to 9 hours. They claim that it stays for 16 hours, but no, it stays for 8 to 9 hours, and it makes you look that fresh and bright and glowing throughout the day, which I love. You can use it for everyday purpose. You can also use it for going for any parties. It's SPF 8, so you also can skip the sunscreen for some time, as it contains SPF 8, which is great. It lasts quite long. It is easily available. Packaging is sturdy. It is definite. It is from a brand like Lakme, and it is a very trustworthy brand, Lakme, and I totally love this product. I recommend this product 100% to you guys. You can go if you're planning to get it. Do not wait for a single second. Just order it online or go to the nearby store. You get it for yourself, because I'm sure you are never going to regret buying this product. It is so good. I definitely love it. It is like a 6 out of 5. So out of 5 I can give it 6 stars. It is that good. I totally love this product, and I'll continue to buy this as long as it is available in the market, as long as my skin type does not change or anything. So I'm definitely going to buy it the rest of my life as long as this product is available in the market. And guys, this was the opinion about this particular mousse. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit on that like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this mousse, whether you have used it or not, or you're planning to buy it or not, anything. Please let me know. I would really love to read your comments, and it's going to make my day. I love reading your comments. I love seeing the likes which you people, you know, I just love the likes which I get from my videos, and also I get a few dislikes, and I don't mind them, because that's fine. So guys, I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and do not forget to wish me luck, because my exams are going on as well, and it's going to be ending on, it's going to be ending the next Friday, probably 16th or 17th of June. So please guys, do wish me luck. It would mean a lot to me. Till then, take care, bye bye.